Trailer daw, trailer. Wadyo di full screen pa na nila. Tunaw biyang ate. Tunaw mi ate.
Gawa ka nga nung ingon na kay murag na may tech nila siguro. Piligog tech no.
In Pharaoh, from ancient Dutch, where to the civil governments, civil harmony, control the ways of Lord and his people, a plan of someone cosmos, the light, whose misadventure put his own shoulders,
Ayo, sige. Roger, di mo yung giguro-guro. Wala, yabok. Ito yun.
Ano yung book?
Lisod kang friend.
These super balls brand over every word. By thee, O God, to let them up you. A fast strike quiet on our streets. If ever you serve our streets again, your lives are paid for the market of peace. Paid of death or meant to burn.
Ah, Romeo. Madungog ang tingog.
Yes, I know. I've heard it too. Tell me its sadness. Who is that about? Sadness. I struggle. Angel needs. Right, Martin? Spare up. I'm right for Martin. That's it. Well, exactly this. So now, Sarah, can you move my teach you how much better to be real to the nice. Examine it. Farewell. Doctors don't teach you to forget.
Mas klaro.
Ang pagsulti dili yung paspas.
Not too hard, but my soul, for reason.
Martin.
Ha?
Martin.
Martin.
Martin, no?
Asa mo?
Kana ang guys sulti.
Nagang kamay?
Katuman ng kuwan. Okay.
Younger than she, are happy ones. Choosing our votes for such that I am fresh with the vote. So who is not in her and my house? Come, go.
Mayabo na sad na ron.
Hi, Romeo. I'm not mad. Not mad. About more than 5 minutes. Shut up and present it.
Yan, kay Sir Props.
Wait,
Nagagawa
it's
man.
all returned. Think so?
Hindi na matingog.
I shall be there.
Juliet! My Juliet, where are you? Juliet, my lady! Hello, girls! Your mother! Mother, I am here. What is my home? Tell me, daughter Juliet. Has Saturday position to man? It is an honor, not a dream. Not all. Well, you find out about the persons you were loved. Midnight, the show you the better. Mother,
Iba ka pa rin yung pangyayari. Baru na itatuloy. Stage man.
Not sorry. Reflection, souls, eyes, flesh, full of the system of the road. I dreamt of you tonight.
Di off the mic.
Ha?
Kay magdungog ba ang storya ganila sa
Oo. Barrio cake lang. Bawal.
The head of this beautiful household, the captain.
Así de desesperar no hay exacto de la oportunidad.
This white voice belongs to you. Now we're stopping on our way in. Instead of nothing.
Why? How about this? Welcome from yourself.
This is one our goal of filling that spirit on his life. That was born so that we this night.
Y'all know it. My word is destroyed. Viruses, no touch, determinants.
Could probably go on your head too much, which none of the most choices were seen to have and palm to palm, holy promises.
Not safe place, on the sea.
I lift the name of you.
What is your mother? She Catholic.
Ikuan gud di ka mo
Kung
ikuan
hindi ka,
magag
Money, we're here. More slanderous. I make you all an gentleman. Good night, by my fame in Rockford Bay.
wa ay tarong ila
My own love's come from my only hate to Alice in and I'm too late.
ulay
Not to be found. Just scars. Never felt so. Soft light through your window grates. Cities. And to yes, it's the sun. It is my lady. Oh, it is my love. Was that you? She were.
wa jud nag But they make that is why I go on myself, from naughty you. Oh, based upon the name. What's the name? For which you call those by any other guy who's not so Romeo good. Would he no longer call Romeo doth the name? For the name, which is the quality, take all the I'm not on you. How much better? Tell me I'm my fault. Find me here. They will murder thee.
Let them find you. My life will never end if it means. That's for all. Once and for all.
Dost thou love me, O gentle
Olivia will not be in bed. God, pardon sin. Is thou Rosaline?
Rosaline, Ghost Father? No. I forgot that name. Is that name for?
That's my good son. He played. Perhaps another event.
Right. Letting me know my heart.
Bye-bye lang. Walang gid nila usbang.
Your daughter.
Kay gitgit na. Mahirap.
Met. Maybe she's down. So, after the second the doctor says prayers today.
Holy Francis!
I pray these on your heart.
But
One respect, alliance.
this alliance prepare your houses, random to build up.
Nagaling pala ko buhay.
Not his fathers, spoken to them.
More to both. Count and Lady. Bargaining with the show. But this is six.
But gentlemen,
Nga,
can any of you tell me where I may find my book?
I can tell you. You're the youngest sibling.
Well, if you be Ethan, then I desire some confidence in you.
I'll follow you.
Ancient lady. Here, first let me tell you, if we should lead her to a Buddhist paradise as they say, that would be every girl's kind of behavior. Surely it would
I
happen.
insist. Return to home shoot this afternoon. And there she saw her horse. Tried and got it.
She shall be ready.
Nice, yeah. Nice. Di pa rin. Nasa atin.
Are you really? The illegal one. Would you not see what I am not to do? Well, your house is a non-gentleman. Where's your mother? Where is my mother? How are you now, Christ? Come and see Samuel. He has to find what his son. There is a husband to leave your wife.
Dapat na siya biluwag siya dapat na siya biluwag na siya kaingon nga na ay part niya nga nana.
Problems of his marriage. You make this your lovely wife.
Ala, kabugat! Kabugat si Bono. guys kung ano.
The Queen of the Kingdom. At the time, there is couples were called. We shall not be called.
Ang ganyan kanin sa maning. Kinsa to ni kaning babae ba nga na.
Ay, ito?
Oh.
Boy kayo.
You're so royal.
The reason that the lovely life wants to see such a greeting. But then we
How about she? What says like this old lady for cuts on drum?
Oh, she says nothing, sir, but weeks and weeks. But here, sir, of when she did meet with you, he made haste for the girl's heritage. Good luck to her now.
How long are you going to survive like this?
It's time to go. I thought it was time to run. Night. That means your daughter.
My child, I think you will always respect my dying or coming. What? Very tell her. She shall be married to his noble earth.
Ihangap mas dilit.
No, I'm not well. Everyone prepared himself. Well, that was a careful Photoshop. But who do you prepare has sorted out seven. But, Habitat, what day is that?
Seko.
Hindi,
My
pero-
child. Early next Thursday morning. The Valentine shall make me joyful. Get up! Get up, goodbye! I pray you, tell the Lord from Madame. I will not marry it. And when I do, I swear I shall be Romeo. Not hate. Rather than Paris. Something so handsome. And see how it will take it at your hands. My lord, she will not. She gives it thanks. I was a fool to her.
Ha!
Ha?
Abi pala, nihilap.
Tiha?
Akong mata ba?
Wala ka pangasok? Di ba, mini pa siya?
Oo.
Pero short lang.
Paong nasad niya rin.
Here comes the lady towards myself. Happily met. My lady. My wife.
That lady, sir, will I give you one?
That lady must be loved. On Thursday next. It's a dream that I'm alone. Juliet, on Thursday early, will I rouse you? Till then,
Sila dito ng bar, di ba?
let's go with this.
Init ka lang. Init ka lang.
Oh, shut up! Don't join the heart!
Oh, nag-aana rin.
Give me some reciprocity! I don't want to know! If one last piece, take down the remedy!
That is why I approach you. If rather than to marry come to Paris, thou hast the strength, a will, to slay thyself, then it's rather thou wilt undertake. A thing like that, which I the way to shame.
I will do it! I will do it when I fear attack! To live and save one! To my sweet love!
Well then, your hope, be marry, give consent, who marry us. Let not thy mouth like an imitate. If thou disquiet being dead in bed, and the Sicilian neighbor take the wall, when presently, through all thy face shall run, no ghost nor, and the roses of thy lips and cheeks shall fade, and in this borrowed likeness of shrunken death, thou shalt continue, few and 40 hours, and then awakest from pleasant sleep, thou shalt be born to the same ancient vault, or all the kindred of the Capulet style. In the meantime, against thou shalt awake, shall rule you by my letters, no art rift, and hither shall he come.
Love, give me strength. The strength shall have before. Farewell, dear father.
Max, gini lang.
Good night. Get thee to bed and rest, for thou hast sleep.
Oh, gentleness, I pray thee, lead me to my sleep tonight.
If that's what you wish for, Ryan. not my will, my sons.
Yoyo na lang. Gawa ko sandal.
Lagi.
Ano daw rin yan? Dali. Ano pa nila? Ano pa nila?
Ano nang tinodi? Ano lang sa'yo? Madungog ni Dere.
Shakespeare. Ay, katawa. Ang diesel eh.
Lagay. Ay! Nahog man dito. Walay tingog.
Walay sound. Walay sound.
Tama sa danang mag-operate sa mic eh.
Buta na nila. Operate na. Hindi na pala sa una.
Giduol pa ni ma'am dito.
Hindi na kabalo. Mature. Kailan ang practice?
bond I hate, that heaven might use to kill your joy with love. And I, for winking at their discourse too, have lost the grace of wisdom. All are punished!
Brother wants to give me thy hand.
The shawl of feelings that frame the sun. It's not the truth that you do.
As this struggle with the life made life, for sacrifice forever.
For never is the story of Marvel than this of Julia and Harold.
Uy, namataw na dyan dito.
Uy,